one for a buy trade here. And the process looks along this kind of basic line here, is that it's got to go from green to grey, and then there's a buy trade. So when it goes from green here, it's got to go to grey here. It's not gone from green to grey, so it's not a buy trade. So this would have been your buy trigger here at a price of 29. It just rallied up to 39 for 10 points. And at 10 points, of course, is $500. This is a 5-second chart. So we're trying to make it so that we're trying to get to a point of 95% winners, guys. That's what we're trying to get to for this to be the perfect trade system. And we're not there yet. We're getting close to it. As I said, it's got to go from green to grey. And, it's got to go in from green to grey for it to become an actual trigger. It needs to be a grey trigger following the green trigger. And that's where we are trying to get to just now, is that little process. And when we get that sequence, then of course that's when we start making the almost 100% winners on this trade. So that's what we're kind of looking for just now. In we're getting close. We had a buy trade earlier at 29 3/4. It rallied up to 38, so it was nearly another 10-point move. So it did another very, very good bit of business, but we had grey to red, which is the wrong way around. It should be red to grey. But I don't know if that's going to be good enough for a trigger. We haven't done that process. Usually it isn't. And for that reason, it's red to grey or green to grey. That's what we're looking for. At the moment, for example, we're on bid watch. So we're looking for bid watch, and we're looking for the max to add liquidity into bid watch. And Max at the moment hasn't added liquidity into bid watch, so the price is just dropping down through the bid watch process, waiting for Max to add some real money liquidity. So far today, we've had just the 2 triggers, and you know what? Sorry, we've had 3 triggers. There's another one there. And you know what? That's okay, because we've made money, $500 every time we've had one of these triggers. If I see one, we'll let you know. It's basically, if you remember, I was talking about the idea of the platinum trades a few days ago. The idea of the platinum trades a few days ago was to try and get you into those very, very high probability trade setups where we get different types of liquidity crisscrossing and coming into the market at the same time. And that's what we're trying to accomplish, is the crisscrossing of the liquidity narrative. And if we can get it, guys, of course, if we can get it, then of course that'll be very, very good for us if we can get that crisscrossing of liquidity at those prints. But at the moment, we haven't got it. And as a result, we're just waiting for it. So Max has added in some offers at the top edge, but the value is bullish at the moment, so I'm not too keen to that trade.